Hey guys, this is my fourth makeup look using the amazing Extra Spicy Gingerbread Too Faced palette. So I created this basic brown matte smoky eye with these amazing, beautiful shades. Of course, like I've said several times, super festive, super blendable, and super pigmented. And I incorporated my laser color, which is like gold, warm, caramely brown color. And I paired it with a lip gloss by Bite Beauty, which is called Salted Caramel, and the LA Girl lip liner, Keep It Spicy. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some eyeshadow base. I'm gonna set that with some translucent powder. Is plenty of dough on a big fluffy blending brush that's going to blend that all into the crease area. On a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take the JH36. I'm going to take the shade Butterscotch, which is this orangey, warm, yellow-orange tone. And I'm going to apply that right into the crease area. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe 507, which is a more precise tapered blending for the gram, which is that like medium brown with a little bit of shimmer in it. And I'm going to apply that, carving out my crease area. The shade Gingerbread Glam, and I'm going to apply that all over a small Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go back in with a small precise blender and just kind of blend out. I'm going to go in with the shade Cookie Call on that same shader brush. I'm gonna go back in with that small blending brush and just blend out all of these edges. Back in with the shade for the gram. Carve out the crease again. I'm gonna clean up the sides with some micellar water. Finish highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. Taking a small shader brush, vanilla wafers. Apply that to my brow bone. With the shade Lick the Spoon, and I'm gonna highlight. The most stressful part, I'm going to go in some Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner, and I'm going to line my top eyelid. Next, I'm going to tightline my top eyelid. Small blending brush, the Precise blending brush, the M507. And I'm going to, for the gram, going to blend my bottom lash line. I'm a Morphe JH43, which is like a flat top brush. Gingerbread glam first. Smudge that all over the bottom lash line area. I'm just gonna blend that out. I can go with the shade Cookie Call. Define the outer. I'm just gonna clean up my waterline and go in with some nude eyeliner. Going in with the Rimmel London Scandalous Nude Eyeliner. Apply some mascara and then put on some false lashes. So I applied some false lashes and some bottom lash mascara. The LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. Going with Bite Beauty's Lip Gloss Salted Caramel. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and please subscribe.